Wagwan. Welcome to Kelvin and Friends Cook Up. Today I'm in Toronto, like 2 minutes walk away from the CN Tower, right across from the CP24 parking lot, and I'm here to check out this wonderful spot. We're talking about Caribbean Slice. Guys, right now I'm gonna show you some of the greatness, some of the goodness, some of the pizza what they have. The amazing pizza. We're talking about some jerk chicken pizza. We're talking about some Oxtail pizza, some Ackee pizza. You know what? Too much talking. I'm gonna bring you inside and show you what they have. Alright guys, so right now I'm here with
Brody,
Tashka,
and they're the owner for Caribbean Slice, and right now they're going to show us some of the greatness, some of the good pieces of what they're making from the Caribbean. Alright?
yeah,
sure, man.
Alright, let's go. So this is all the dough that you have for your pizza?
that's right. So we do 3 sizes. We do XLs, large, and mediums.
Okay.
Yeah. So these were freshly made moments ago, and we're gonna start a new pizzas.
Alright.
All right. Thank you.
Alright, so what kind of pizza are you going to make for us today?
So we're gonna do 2 half and halves. One is jerk chicken and oxtail, and the other one is the ital and seafood.
Okay,
All
nice.
right.
Yes.
Sounds good.
Alright. Yes guys, so that's their dough right here.
Right. Nice and soft.
Nice and soft.
Right. That's key.
So the reason for the flour? What's the reason for the flour?
So it doesn't make it that sticky, right? So it's easy to maneuver and easy to move around. Right?
Okay. Kneading your dough, eh?
Right? Well, our family are bakers. Back in our island in Dominica, we had a bakery, which our grandmother owned, and yeah, so we're used to, yeah.
Okay.
It's in the blood.
It's in the blood. So you're from Dominica?
Yes, I am. Not Dominican Republic, Dominica. It's
Dominica.
a small little island.
Yes.
More south, like Antigua, Guadeloupe, those French islands. So we
Oh.
speak broken French, the Creole, and English.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at that, guys. Oh yes. Look at that, guys. That's
Pizza
tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Oh, so this tomato sauce, you guys make it from scratch?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Look at that, guys. Look how that look rich and nice. You know, I never had like oxtail pizza before or jerk chicken pizza before.
So this is the first, right?
This is the first.
All right.
Yes.
Awesome.
Look at that. As you can see, you could just smell the freshness from the tomato.
Right? Yeah. So there's basil, oregano. Yeah. All
Yeah.
that in there.
So what do you have here now? Some
Mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
Yeah. Just spread it throughout. Make sure it's even, right?
Yeah.
So what we got taught basically is people that make pizza, they tend to not wear gloves because when you put it in the oven,
Yeah.
it'll kill all the bacteria, everything that's supposed to be around it.
Okay.
Right. So if you see a lot of people making pizza, you see no glove. It's not because they're dirty. It's just it's a lot more easier, and you know
Yes.
for sure the germs will be dead in the oven. So that's the reason
Okay.
why. So
Yeah.
it's not like when you cook food,
Yes.
and it's just out there. With
Yes.
this, it has to go in the oven.
And then the heat kill all the bacteria.
It kills
anything.
everything.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's what people do. That's our own little secret in the pizza world.
We'll start with the jerk chicken and then oxtail half and half, right?
Oh, okay. So this is a jerk chicken
It
here,
is.
guys. So it's already cooked.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. You smell the spice on the
Right.
jerk chicken. So you know it's right, you know?
Right.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. So this is half jerk chicken, half oxtail.
That's right.
You see that, guys? Have you ever tried jerk chicken pizza before?
Come to Caribbean Slice and and try it.
Where they need to come to?
Come to Caribbean Slice. We're at 230 Queen Street West.
You hear that, guys? And then right now you're doing your oxtail.
Oxtail.
So with the oxtail, you already like you mince it up fine,
Yes,
right?
yes. Right. So in order to make sure we debone it, right?
Yo, you debone it,
of
yes.
Of course, yes.
Yes.
Let it go. So
Yes.
That's it. That's key.
Of course. Look at that, guys. Wow.
Right here we have red onions.
Okay.
Right. We have peppers, red peppers, banana peppers, mango. Right?
Mango.
Yes, we put the mango on the.
So basically,
The
bring the whole Caribbean here.
Right?
Mango on pizza. I never have mango on a pizza
Trust
before.
me, it's good. It's
It's
good.
good?
Yes, it is.
All right. So
Okay.
can't wait to try.
All right. Awesome.
All right, can't wait to try. So right now you're gonna add your red onion.
Yeah. So we put it throughout on the pizza.
Okay, I see. Look at that, guys. Flavor.
Okay. And then we go the banana peppers.
What do you call this though?
So it's banana peppers.
Banana peppers.
Yeah.
So does it have a little bit of
It
spice
does have
to
a
it?
little bit of kick to it. It's
Yeah?
delicious.
Oh, okay.
It's a popular one.
Oh, nice. But when you eat the pizza, especially from the Caribbean, you know,
Right.
you have to have a little bit of heat to it, a
little
little bit of
kick,
spice.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mango. This is what I kind of want to try. Never tried mango on pizza before.
Why not, right?
Well, you see, Caribbean Slice bringing something different
That's
to you
right.
guys, eh?
That's what we do.
Well, this piece of flavorful, eh? Lots of color, lots of flavor, lots
Yes. That's a love.
of lots of love. That's good.
All right. And we're ready to go.
All right.
And we're ready to go.
You're ready to go.
Yes, we are.
All right, guys, look at that. Yeah, nice. Good.
So all of our pizzas, 10 minutes. Careful on this.
Yes, guys, you know the intersection is right at McCall and Queens. Yeah, downtown. As you can see, yeah, the CTV, and then right across from the Much Music. Guys, in the heart of downtown. You need to come check it out. Caribbean Slice Pizza. Caribbean Slice, where the pizza tastes nice.
Just checking to see, how the pizza
Oh,
looks.
okay,
right?
okay.
A little under 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Oh gosh, look at
Right,
that, guys.
look at that. Yes, we tend to mix it.
Yeah.
Kill the bubble. Right?
Kill the bubble.
Yeah. Yeah, and it looks really good.
I can't wait to try this.
All right.
Yes.
A lot of bubble in the pizza. That means the dough is really good. When there's no bubbles now, the dough has not been settled. It's still like there's a lot of gluten in it.
Okay.
So when you go to any high-end restaurants, you'll see bubbles in their dough, and you wonder why. But that's the key of a really good dough.
Okay.
Yes. So.
I think we're ready.
It's ready to take out now?
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. Oh gosh.
Right?
Nice. Wow. And you could just smell the oxtail and the jerk chicken. Oh gosh, look at that, guys.
Yeah, so just to finish up the pizza, we add a little bit of olive oil on the crust.
Okay.
Right? We just brush it on.
So the olive oil will just give it some.
Right, just a little moisture in the dough to freshen it up.
Okay. Guys, I cannot wait to try this pizza. Just the scent alone coming from this. Remember, I never tried oxtail pizza before nor jerk chicken pizza, so this is all new to me. And look at it. Look at it.
No.
Oh, you're gonna cut it in half now.
Yeah, right. So you know what's oxtail and then what's jerk chicken.
Guys, I'm not telling you, this looks so good. You have to come down by Caribbean Slice to try it, man.
Yes, please do.
Oh gosh. Alright.
Alright.
Alright guys. This, I'm gonna get down in this right now because trust me, I can't wait. It smells so good.
So yes, this is our famous sweet barbecue.
Sweet barbecue.
Only cream and slice.
Oh.
Honey jerk.
Yeah. See that, guys?
And our world famous creamy jerk.
Creamy jerk.
Creamy. This is amazing.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow, I can't wait to try it with those. Man, look at that, guys. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna try the pizza. As you see how they make it, and the pizza looks so delicious right now. Can't wait to try it to tell you guys how it tastes. Yes. So first I'm gonna try the chicken pizza. I'm gonna try it. Look at that, guys. Oh gosh, as you can see, with all the peppers and all those stuff. And the scent. Yeah man, tastes real good. And the crust, nice, not too thick. Flavor nice. Oh yeah. Guys. Yes guys, I'm gonna try their sauce, their creamy jerk sauce. One of their most nice. Yeah. The thing about this, guys, look at the crust. Nice. Right now, I'm gonna try this sauce. Yeah. Look at that. Nice. Tastes so good, guys. Alright, so right now I'm gonna try oxtail pizza. Yes, look at that. Nice. Good. Taste the oxtail. Nice. Flavor, nice. Right amount. Guys, look at the crust. Look at that. Yes. Look at that. I'm gonna try it with their creamy jerk, creamy sauce. See? Ooh, yeah. I wanna make sure you guys see it good, you know, cause you see, look at this, guys. I'm telling you, look at that. Oh gosh. Tastes so good. No lie. See? Right now, I'm gonna go and enjoy this. I'll check him back in a bit. Guys, as you can see, I'm not telling a lie. Box almost finished, right? And you can see the mango pizza, the mango in it too. It bring that nice. Look at the mango, guys. Look here. Look at that. Where you get mango in pizza?
Okay.
Where do you get mango on pizza?
Yeah, but don't worry. We don't know what that's.
The flavor taste, the pizza tastes real good.
Thank you so much.
Real good. And this is the oxtail pizza with the mango and all those.
Yes.
Guys,
That's good, though. We're so happy. You know, so
they
happy.
need to come down here.
Oh, yeah.
They need to come down here. Look at this, guys. I'm not lying, guys. Honestly, you have to come and try it for yourself. Cause look at that. The box is almost finished, and this is the first pizza. This is the first pizza. That's how good it is. All right. Check him back in a bit. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Yes. So, what kind of pizza are you making for us
So
today?
we're doing like a half and half seafood mix up with ital on the side.
Oh, okay. Seafood and mix up.
Well, seafood mix up, right? Because
Yes.
so in the seafood we have lobsters, shrimps,
Yes.
and crab.
Wow, nice.
Yes.
And then ital on the other
So
side,
the ital
half
on
and
the
half.
Yeah, so the ital on the other side we have some okra, we have plantains, and then we have mushroom. Okra here, mushroom, sauteed,
Yes.
and then we have some plantains. And just a
nice.
drizzle of the onions.
Okay,
Good old
nice.
onions. All right.
See, guys, I already have the dough, the large one.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
And now they're gonna add their tomato sauce
so
that they
much.
made.
That's so good, right?
Yes. Look at that, guys.
All right. Time for cheese. Mozzarella.
More mozzarella cheese.
Right?
Nice.
Very good.
This is what you
The
added now?
seafood, yeah.
So this is the seafood. Okay. Wow.
Just a little onion in there, and yeah.
So she's gonna add some good red onion on it.
That's it for the seafood.
Okra.
Yes.
Look at that, guys.
For the ital goodness.
So for all the people who don't eat meat,
Right?
you could get your
Ital.
veggie
Yes.
ital pizza here. Yes.
Again, trying to proportion it, right? Because some folks say, hey, we didn't get any of this in their slice. So
Yes.
sauteed mushrooms,
Yes.
delicious.
See that, guys?
And mushrooms is also a bit like hearty in taste and flavor because it's almost like meat, so it eats,
Oh, okay.
right? Yeah. Some caramelized plantain.
Oh,
Make sure it's nice and right.
well ripe.
Right?
Look at that, guys.
Yeah. So just sweet.
Yes.
Good smelling.
Yes, you can smell the plantain from here. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Looks nice.
Look at that, guys. So this is ital, half ital and half seafood.
That's it.
See? A Caribbean slice.
That's right.
10 minutes?
10 minutes and it's done.
Yes. Oh,
Look at that, it's bubbling. Right?
it's almost ready, eh?
Almost ready. Just
Look
take
at
a
that,
look.
guys. Look at that. Yummy. Okay, look at this. Yeah.
Right?
Nice, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
There we go.
Wow. Yes, guys.
So now we cut in.
Alright, guys. So, right now, I'm going to try my seafood medley. Yeah. You can see? Look at this, guys. You see all the seafood. Look at that. Crust, nice. Not too thick. Really good. Tasteful, guys. Flavor, everything is there. You can see. Nice, nice crust, nice. You can see. This is the ital pizza. See that, guys? Yeah, this is all the plantain, mushroom, and okra. Look at that, guys. Tastes real good. And then you have the sweet plantain on it. Give it that. Yes, guys. So, how long since you guys been open here?
Roughly 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Give or take
3
3 weeks. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in
Yeah.
what, January?
Yes.
Yes. You know, start the new year.
The first week of January.
First week of January.
Yeah.
Nice. And what you guys, what inspired you guys to open Caribbean Slice Pizza?
All him.
Now for me, I was watching this show on Discovery, and they were speaking about Caribbean pizza in the
Yes.
Caribbean. And I was watching a particular show, and basically the guy was saying, in the Caribbean, a real Italian pizza. And for me, I kind of took offense to it. Like, really? We have a lot of things that could complement pizza. We should try and do our own pizza.
Yes.
And from then on, which was 8 years ago,
8
I'm like,
years ago.
yeah, I'm like, I'm gonna do something that's different. And it took me a while to think up the recipes and all that stuff. But now we're here now, so
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And pizza is like a universal language, right? Everybody
Exactly.
loves pizza, so
Everyone loves
it
pizza.
makes sense, right?
Right,
Like,
yes,
why
right.
not put our flavors on pizza? And yeah, for the world to see, hey, we're in this as well. We could do this. Yeah,
Nice,
delicious
nice.
pizza.
and the funny thing about that for us though is when I looked around, there was nothing else like it. You know, people make jerk chicken, whatever, but no one really embodied the Caribbean pizza.
Yes.
So for me, I'm like, I don't want to just
Fill in a gap.
make a specialty pizza. I want to complement the Caribbean, where I want to bring different type of food, from the Caribbean, scallops from Barbados,
We'll get there. We'll
all
get
the
there.
different stuff. So,
Yes.
We'll get
yes.
there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, at Caribbean Slice Pizza, what kind of pizza you guys have?
As for us, we have jerk chicken pizza.
Oxtail,
We have the oxtail.
seafood mix up.
We have seafood mix up, which is lobster, crab, and shrimp.
We have the ital, right?
We have ackee.
We have the Ackee and Salt Fish,
Wow.
right? And then we have jerk pepperoni, which is pretty popular, right?
Which is
Jerk
our,
pepperoni.
Yeah, so we're the first. Yeah,
Yes, I never
right?
heard about jerk pepperoni pizza before.
Yes.
Nice.
No, it's
Yeah.
just something that is familiar with people over here,
Yes.
but we bring our own style to the,
That's
to the
right.
pepperoni,
That's
which
right.
is which is a spice and
Yeah,
the jerk.
Yes.
So yeah,
yeah, it makes sense.
Yes,
and
of
it tastes
course.
good.
People really love it. So
Yeah,
yeah. So we have patty pizza, which is very similar to a stuffed pizza, but to a stuffed patty. But
Yes.
it's like a patty with a pizza. Where we open the patty, we put the same topping that we normally put in the pizza in the patty we have the veggie version, we have the chicken, we have the
so
beef.
everything pretty much that we offered in like our specialty pizza, it's in pizza patty. So
Okay.
your jerk chicken, it's in there, right?
Yes.
If you
Yes.
want the veggie version of it, then you could do the seafood in there, the Ackee and Salt Fish, right? Add your cheese to that. It's delicious.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also we have loaded fries.
Of course, the loaded fries, and then again, anything on specialty pizza, we put it on the loaded fries. So it's almost like our version of poutine, right?
Yes.
It's good. Yeah.
Nice.
And then top it up with our sauces.
And we also have wings as well. We have our special sausage, which is creamy jerk, sweet heat, honey, the honey jerk, sweet barbecue.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of stuff here that you won't go nowhere else and see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we want to bring different.
Yeah.
When you come in here, it's you escape Canada.
Sorry.
You're in the Caribbean now,
Yes.
and we want to give that feeling when we come in here. So
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you guys have skip the dishes, DoorDash?
Yeah, so right now we sign up for Skip and also Uber Eats.
Yes.
Hopefully this week we'll do the rollout with both of them, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
because we're so new, we just want to make sure
We're ready for it. And
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, and for me especially, go back to Caribbean Slice. Caribbean Slice, I just want to body the Caribbean, because I feel like we're Caribbean, but we're not fully Caribbean. We don't really we're connected, but we're not fully connected. And I feel like Caribbean Slice is a way to connect us all.
Yes.
Or for me, it's a big thing. When I say I'm part of the Caribbean,
Yes.
I'm part of the Caribbean diaspora, which is Caribbean.
Yes.
And I want us to reflect that, in our food and everything else, right? So it's a big thing for me and my family and everybody, because my family, we have different types of races, different islands within our family, so it's a big thing.
Yeah. All right. So for whoever watching and they want to reach out to you guys, or where can they go and find your? Do you guys on a social media?
Yes, we are. So we're on Instagram at CaribbeanSlice.ca, and we're also we have like a sister page on TikTok as well.
Oh, okay.
So just key in Caribbean Slice and we're there. Yeah.
Okay. So what's the number for them to reach you at?
So our number is 343-96 416-343-9677. Again, 416-343-9677.
Okay. And address.
And we are 230 Queen Street West, right opposite the City TV building, that landmark, right? Yeah.
Yes. And
And it's a yellow building. You can't miss us.
Can't
I
miss
promise
it.
you can't.
No, you can't miss it. All right. So, do you have any last word you want to say to whoever watching? What you want to tell?
Yeah, this means a lot to us, right? It comes from the heart, and we love our people so much. We just think that us as a Caribbean, a whole, our food is good enough to put on pizzas, whatever, and we want the rest of the world to experience Caribbean Slice.
Yes.
And we're in this. We're doing this.
Please come on down, enjoy the site. Come down here, be a part of the Caribbean at Caribbean Slice, and enjoy the really tasty pizza like no other. Come on down.
Yeah,
It'll be
please,
really
we appreciate you, right?
All right.
So a special thank you to Kelvin and Friends Cookout, right, for coming down here and taking your time off from your busy day to spend with us. We appreciate it so very much. And also for Kelvin and Friends subscribers, please click the link below for 5% discount, okay, at Caribbean Slice.
Nice.
We thank you all so very much.
Nice.
Thank you so much again, guys.
Yes.
Appreciate it.
From the heart.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So there will be a code. See, you come down here and you mention that code, you get 5% discount on
Yes.
Caribbean Slice. You see the pizza that I'm eating? I know you guys want to come here and try it. Jerk chicken pizza. We're talking about Oxtail pizza. Seafood medley. And we're talking about for the ital, for all the people who don't eat meat.
Yes.
Yeah, you gotta come down here and try it.
Please.
Talking about Caribbean slice pizza, where the pizza tastes nice. You don't have to come back twice. You're not gonna come back once. You're gonna come back twice. All right, guys.
All right, thank you.
All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys come down here. Yes, come down here and check out Caribbean Slice Pizza. Yes, tell them you watch it on Kelvin and Friends Cook Up. And there's a code gonna be on the screen where you just come down here and mention that code and you get 5% discount. Yes, 5% discount. If you haven't subscribed yet, go and subscribe. We'll have a lot of great content coming to you. Make sure you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Yes, make sure you subscribe. All right, take care. God bless. Bless.